find yourself passing life by to just help a stranger? Do you ever find yourself knowing all of this, wishing you could rearrange it? If everyone, everything, all the time, do you think we could change it? The words you say, the tune I hum, sometimes I'm weak, but then you're strong, coming through in stereo, memories of tomorrow. The marquee says your name in lights, burn it down and show you the light. Can you ever lose your ground? Let yourself go to the place back in your mind. Can you ever hear the sound where falling is comfortable? You fear